Planet Madison.
Hi guys, welcome to Planet Madison. Today I'm going to do my first hair tutorial. I'm going to use TPH by Taraji. I'm going to use a lot of her hair products, so keep watching. Let's get started. I have my hair in 4 sections. So first I'm going to use the Serene Queen Shampoo. First, I'm going to wet each section. This smells super good. Make sure you get your roots. Add more water if you need to. Make sure you clean your roots good because that's where the dirt is. You're not a voice. It's just too big in my ear, and if I hurt you, which I don't, I'm spoken for, I fear. Everyone I ever loved is here within its walls. I'm sorry, secrets haven't run, I'm blocking out your calls. I had my adventure, I don't need something new. I'm afraid that I'm risking if I follow you into the unknown. Into the unknown. Into the unknown. Okay, now I washed the shampoo out of my hair. Now let's move on to a conditioner. This is called Make It Rain Conditioner. Rain! That's my middle name, Rain! Come on. I know, I used it so much, I'm almost out. Okay, let's do it again. Start with one section first. You should try this feels really good. Okay guys, I have my conditioner cap on. This hydrating and strengthening conditioner helps smooth, detangle, and nourish hair. A must have for your product staff. Okay, let me finish my shower and I'll be back for styling. Okay guys, I'm out of the shower. Now let's use this Ride or Die leave-in condition. Oh, and you should add it to each section. Take a big comb to detangle. Now that the first section is detangled, now let's use the Smooth Attitude Hair Milk. And do this to each of your sections. See how the Smooth Attitude made my curls pop? Okay, I'm getting ready for bed, so let's twist this hair up. I'll be right back. Okay, I have my hair twisted up and ready for bed. You can use the Slick Edge Control, but I'm not going to use that tonight. Look at my hair, it's so bouncy and fresh. Okay guys, I hope you liked my first hair tutorial by using TPH by Taraji. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you on the next video. Bye!